Welcome to our series on women's health and well-being. Today we are going to talk about infertility. Infertility affects quite a few number of couples. I mean, the inability to conceive or the inability to start a family falls under the bracket of infertility. To understand infertility is not easy, but we can divide it into two parts. One part is where the cause is known. You have local causes, either in the male or in the female, or you may have general illnesses which prevent conception. Here, there is some reason attributed to infertility, but many times the reasons are unknown. In spite of all reports being normal, or in spite of the correction of any underlying illness, the couple is not able to conceive. In this case, the usual scenario is that there are hormonal treatments, IVF treatments, etc., that are suggested, and the couple has to go through the whole process at a great cost. What are the options? Nowadays, there is an emerging trend with natural treatments. The world of natural treatments is divided into four parts. First, there are natural medicines. Second, there are energy-based treatments like acupuncture. Third, there is a whole therapy based on the role of the mind in health and disease. And then lastly comes the naturopathic lifestyle, where diet and nutrition, exercises, stresses of life, etc. come into the picture. But before talking about the treatments, let us also understand what natural sciences have to say about infertility. In natural sciences, there is a concept of energy. We are essentially energy beings, and even to reproduce, we need energy. It is when the energy channels that are linked to fertility are affected, then the couple may experience infertility. In acupuncture specifically, the infertility factors are clearly defined based on various levels of energy disturbances. On a constitutional front, infertility is attributed to core disturbances which may stem from the genetic level or from the acquired constitutional dyscrasias or faults. So, in order to manage fertility, these two contribute the most. The management at these two levels will be very useful. So, when a case is analyzed, when the constitution is analyzed, when the energy disturbances are known, and when the whole lifestyle is reviewed, the stresses, the personality, the nutritional status, the overall health, then the whole treatment becomes a holistic approach. And when such treatments are given, the results are within a period of 3 to 6 months, depending upon the severity of the illness. So friends, if someone you know is suffering from infertility, you have an option. Either to go through what is known as the mainstream hormonal treatment with the technology to implant a fertilized ovum, or you allow nature to do its work. You just facilitate the conditions where natural pregnancy is allowed, and the process is simple and effective. At Freedom Clinics, we have been treating infertility since decades, and with the advancement of technology in the field of natural healing, now the management of infertility has become even more predictable. Taking natural medicines is easy. Taking a few acupuncture sessions to correct the energy flow disturbances is also a simple process. Balancing the mind, uprooting the stress factors, uprooting deep traumas, etc., also contribute to a great extent. And lastly, a proper nutrition, a proper exercise regimen, and a healthy lifestyle, it really completes the management. Many patients have had results within 3 months, and someone who has suffered quite a lot, who has taken many treatments in other fields, they may take some more time, but they do respond. So consider natural approach to regain your natural fertility energy, and I'm sure you'll be happy with the results. To view our videos, you can subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive updates about our new releases, or you can visit our website and connect with us. Thank you.